Brute hoot. And a Caterwauler? It sure can. They take this little screw out right here in the front. Take the old screw out. Comes apart. And what you want to do is you want to cup it. We'll get some owls to hoot here in a little bit, but love this call, guys. Absolutely love it. Brute Hoot's a good company, good people. I recommend go getting one. You can find them at brutehoot.com. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just went and bought it at the Turkey Rama and fell in love with it. This is an absolutely jewel of a owl hooting call right here. Good product too.